How to manage multiple channels using the same channel manager bot. For this tutorial we are going to use the channel manager bot we created earlier on. If you didn't create one or do not have one, please check the video link in the description on how to create one, then continue with this video. So as you can see, we already have one channel here which we had created earlier and had linked it to our bot. So for this tutorial I'm going to go ahead and create a new channel and also link it to the bot such that we can manage both channels using the same bot. And as usual, if you have been following some of my recent videos, for this bot to work, we need to add it as an administrator to the channel we want it to manage. So I'm going to go ahead and also add it as an admin in this new channel we have just created. So now I'm going to send a random post to the channel. The post, by the way, is not necessarily supposed to be random. It can be an actual post that you want to use. So after that we then go to the controller bot and send this command /add channel. We then go to our channel we just created and forward the post we just created on the channel to the controller bot. Now if we go back to our channel manager bot and click create post, we now have this select option for choosing which channel we want to send post to. Now if I choose channel 2 and schedule a random post to this channel and then send it to the channel, the post is published directly into the second channel we just created using the same channel manager bot we had created earlier on. So I'm going to do the same thing, but this time posting on the first channel we had already. The post must be published to that channel but still through the same channel manager bot. And that's it. This tutorial was not specifically for just 2 channels. You can do this for as many channels as you wish. Just follow the same procedures and everything will work out. One bot can manage all your channels with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.